a very big head. And the what do you call this? The teeth, the tooth are big. They are like dogs. Tooth of the dogs. But I don't know if that is dog. The one that was trapped there is a dog. Oh. So down there is we just that is where we turn over a while ago. Turn around. So we will go this way. We will just come and check the best spot for us to view the sunrise and the sea of clouds, and of course the view of Maligkong rice terraces on different angle. I think this mountain is higher a little bit than Mount Kupapoy, or I don't know if they are the same. It's just that here that I'm walking around in this area, I think it is already same level on Mount Kupapoy, but we can't go there. But last year I went there. It has a good view, but through cell phone the cell phone can capture the best view only on the ice and through drones. Actually, there are many mountains here in Barangay Maligkong alone that I'm hiking. Actually, I hiked them all, but with the view, of course, I also enjoy hiking and trailing on the mountains that has a good view, but the cell phone can capture good moments. I think when actually I have already bought a drone since 2018 or 2019, I think, and I did not use it up until now. So that drone was still on its box. I also bought a camera, but the camera, there's no battery, and I checked on Shopee and TikTok for its battery, and there's none. So it's useless. I don't know, but I know that was still up in the house, but I can't find it. But I know it was something, I misplaced it there. The problems with the drone was the battery of the controller. Although I ordered the drone with the battery, but that battery, I have 4 or 5 battery that I ordered, but those batteries are the battery of the drone. So my problem is I don't have a battery for the controller of the drone. That's the problem, my problem. That's why. And I'm also keep on looking on Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok, and I can't find one. That's why I don't know. I can't use the camera and the drone. I ordered them the camera and the drone on same day, same hour. That's why they came on the same day. I've received the parcel on the same day. Actually, that's in that area is the where we can see it is the true, this is the true summit. I think this is the true summit, this area, but I need a knife, big knife. There's a trail, human trail there, but I think someone went up there, but the plants have already regrown. They grow again. That's why I need to clean the trail first. But as I have just said, even if I can go on the summit there, on the summit of this mountain, my phone camera can't capture the view of the this mountain. There are human trails here. Honestly, there are different human trails here, but I only notice now that there are human trails here. Actually, this is not the trail that we are supposed to follow. It is up there, straight up there. But I don't know. I will just come here and check this kind of trail. If we, oh, this is, I think this is the shortcut trail. Yeah, this is the shortcut trail going down. I see. Yeah, this is the shortcut trail. So we can go here and see the view, but there are trees. Actually, that's the meeting point area. When if I follow the trail there, so I don't need to go here. I will just turn around and go there, where the trail where I went down and follow the other trail. Although they meet there, as I just said a while ago, they will meet there. But my purpose on coming here is to, if there's a tendency, I think there's a tendency for me to look for mushrooms. Actually, there I see, as of now, I can see the mushrooms. There's a color, I don't know. I will just, where's that? So that you will see the color. But I think that is also for food, but I don't know. Oh, I'm already out of trail, out of track. Wow, this has if only my cell phone camera is good. This is a good area to have a picture. Yeah, this is a good area to have a picture. Though you can't see the beauty on my camera. Sheesh, it's already